This video will be a walkthrough for the setting of Smart Mobile App Banner. With this app, you can set a banner on every page of your website which will show your preferred mobile app name and the direct link for it. The customer will be redirected to the Android app or iOS app link for installation of the app. Let's set this up. First, we'll fill all these fields. Enabling of the app, the Android app URL, the logo image, the name of the app, a short description, the text color, the button text. This will be the button text color. Next is the background color for the button and the banner. Then the banner position. You can view the preview of this. Let's save it. This will be the mobile view for the website. You can see the banner is displayed with the name and the other details. Now we click on this link. It will lead us to the app link for installation. You can contact us if you have any doubts or queries regarding the app. Thanks. Have a great time.